I actually wanted to include the clips from yesterday, but what ended up happening is that some files got corrupted
This shit.
and I simply cannot put them in this video. So what I will do is telling you what happened yesterday. So I don't want to make it too long, but yesterday was a really bad day. I got stopped out on my trade on GBP USD, and that was the trade that you saw in my last recap video. And let's say that I didn't take it too well because I was convinced of my trade, I was convinced of my analysis, and I didn't really want to see that price action. But as you can see, we might have some good reaction in price because it's actually expanding, okay? This is the GBP/USD, is actually expanding to the upside. And we might get some opportunities. And I'm not saying that randomly because I saw something very specific in price. But it will not be me that will tell you what I saw in price because I feel that I'm not the most adapted person to do that. So for the first time, I'm presenting you, hi, I'm Gojo. So today I want to tell you about a very specific PD array because you see, the convenient thing about trading ACT is that you find instructions all over the internet. The downside is that many of these strategies don't actually work because they are so used. But even within ICT traders, there is one PD array that it's not well known. If you take the fair value gap and the inversion fair value gap and you smash them together, you create an imaginary PD array. Imaginary PD array, balanced price range. So why am I actually telling you this? Come with me. So, as I was saying, if you take the fair value gap and then you take the inversion fair value gap, you obtain a balanced price range, okay? And this is on the 3 months. So imagine how strong of a level it could be. As you can see, it overlaps with another fair value gap on the monthly. And on the weekly, there is another fair value gap here. So what I'm thinking is that this could be the start of a really big move towards the downside for USD CAD. Unfortunately, I didn't open this trade at the close yesterday because I was still confused about the overall forex market. But let's say that maybe if price comes back into the entry right here, I might consider to take a trade. Besides, if it gives an opportunity, let's say on the 1 hour or the 4 hour, I might as well take it. Have you ever wondered if you're just a genius or is there something wrong with you? Because you see, as I was telling you before, I was watching for bearishness on Dixie, and this is euro dollar. And I traced this fair value gap because I thought, well, price will certainly go inside of this. And then it touched it on the 15 minute and made this setup, but I didn't enter. And honestly, even if right now would to give me another opportunity, I wouldn't take it. And that is because I'm thinking with my instinct, I don't believe this trade will go well because I don't trust such a small touch of a fair value gap. But who knows? Maybe the trend is so strong that the trade would go well. So yeah, we'll see. Guys, I'm literally goaded. I'm goaded. I'm goaded. I'm goaded. Just look at this. Okay, so this is euro dollar. You remember the setup I didn't open. First, he took the fucking swing high. I would have placed the trade at break even, then bang. Would have closed the trade at break even, then this massive spike out of fucking nowhere. And then again, price action is so shit. And then also, look at this. Silver went to the 1 hour fair value gap. Setup, not open because I smell shit. And boom, I would have gone stopped out. This is why I'm the fucking Gojo of trading. I'm goated. You know, sometimes trading is all about this. And no, I'm not referring to these mini shitty pizzas that actually taste really bad. I'm talking about this. Like, we stare at the charts all day, we are crunching numbers, and then you can remember that you might just go outside and there are beautiful places like this. In my opinion, it's always good to stay in contact with nature. You know, leave your head some space to repair itself. To me, today was a success because I had opportunities to open trades, but they were bad trades and I avoided them. So I'm happy with the process. And so I guess that now I will enjoy a little bit of peace, some quiet peace. Guys, obviously it's not sponsored, but if you can, try this Red Bull sugar-free. It's like ginger and Fuji apple. It's really good. I think it has become my favorite flavor of Red Bull. So yeah, give it a try. Guys, I just opened a trade on silver. I think it's pretty good trade. Spread was pretty high, but I'm waiting now for an alert to went off. As I said in one of my previous video, I don't stare at the charts once I open a trade. So as soon as I get notified with either 1 hour or stop loss, I will let you know and we'll do the live reaction. Okay guys, so I just received the notification for the trade and now we'll do a live reaction. Okay, 3, 2, 1, fuck. Okay guys, so I just have the right plan to make it all back because I just found this trade on Euro USD. I just opened it, focus. Okay, this is it. I think this will full port price action for Euro. I think price will just skyrocket from here. This is the first target, 3 hours. Then there is the second target, which is about 7 hours. And yeah, I'm pretty confident with this. It will take some time, I believe, but I will update you as soon as we go. Oh my god, I lost another trade. Honestly, I was so confident about this trade. I can't believe that I got stopped out. But this is the moment where you see who's the strongest. Because you see, if I was weak, I would say, oh my god, now I need to be safe. Now I need to be now to be careful because I'm -5 on the account. No, guys. This is the moment where you have to continue trading like the way you know. So tomorrow is another day. I don't know if I will trade. I don't know. Maybe this was the last trade of the week, but we'll see. New day, new trade. So yes, I decided to open a long on USD JPY because honestly, it's the only chart that makes sense in forex right now. My idea is that price will obviously reach all-time highs and from there, the sky's the limit. Are you ready for some action? Let's get it. So after opening that trade, I opened yet another long on USD yen on the intraday account. And yeah, I just got stopped out. And for just a moment, I thought, okay, maybe I got stopped out, but it's not a problem. I have still my long on my swing account. But the problem is that this morning, price did something very strange. Like it made a fucking inverse god candle on the 5-minute time frame and I got stopped out also my swing trade. Luckily though, I moved the stop loss, so I only lost $250. And this concludes my trading week, and you might see this as a failure. But this was only a show off. The Gojo of trading is not over. I will come back as the strongest once again.